question for us. In the case of needing to rid yourself of the Shabbos Chometz on Pesach, are you allowed to feed it to the wild animals or your pets?
Your pets is a better idea. Wild animal, no. On Shabbos, we're not allowed to feed wild animals. The one, right, because you're not responsible for them. So it's like extra work, and plus if there is no arrow, that's another issue. But the main prohibition because you're not responsible for them, right? But your home animal, I mean, if they're going to eat so much, I'm not sure what animal are going to eat bread, like in so much. I don't know if somebody have chickens. I don't know what animals. I don't know. And plus it must be in a very short period of time. So on this day, so everybody becomes very religious. In what sense? That we pray very early. So usually on Shabbos in my shul they start at 8:45. Some shuls 9, mostly 9, but in this shul 8:45 doesn't matter, right? And but when in the cases like that, I think there was 7 and 7:30. Why? Because the chometz becomes forbidden. On the 4th hour. Like it's a rabbinical, right? On the 4th hour, so of the day. So basically, you have to finish even 2 meals, right? On Shabbos, you're obligated to eat 3 times, right? 3 times, and so all of the. I said 7:30, maybe even before that, maybe 7 or even early. It depends on the year, right? Because on Shabbos you have to do on 2 breads, right? You have to wash, you have to take a break, whatever, right? And then you have to eat the 3rd meal on time, right? Before the chometz becomes forbidden, and it's forbidden on the 4th hour. So it could be 4th hour, I don't know, let's say 10 a.m. So you have to finish all of your things before 10 a.m. 10:30. I mean, I'm just give a approximate number. So, but yeah, everybody very religious start very early praying, right? But then mincha, do we pray mincha? No, we pray mincha as usual when we come in the afternoon. We come to shul. Yeah, we pray mincha. It's Shabbos Hagadol, so Rabbi has his long speech, right? Everybody comes, and that's it. Yeah, very good question. We have to check. I think if this, if I understood correctly, maybe that's situation this year. I did not check. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.